Yeah, it's half past 10, right? It's half past 10, okay? All right, let's do the next exercise. For this one, I want you to listen very carefully and write down which time you hear, okay? Write down which time you hear. So for example, if I had these two times written down and I said 5:45, 5:45, you would write down 5:45, okay? 5:45. All right, number one, half past 11. Half past 11. What did you hear? This one or this one? Half past 11. Yeah, it's this one right here. Okay, half past 11. What's another way to say this? 11:30. It's 11:30. What time is it? It's 11:30. Okay, this one is 10:30. 10:30. How about number two? Ready? Okay, listen very carefully. It's 7 o'clock. It's 7 o'clock. It's 7 o'clock. Okay, which one? This one or this one? It's 7 o'clock. Yeah, it's this first one here. We can also say it's 7. It's 7. How do you say this? Yeah. It's a. It's a quarter past 7. It's a quarter past 7, or it's 7:15. Okay, number three. Are you ready? It's a quarter to 4. It's a quarter to 4. Not past, it's a quarter to 4. Which one is it? This one or this one? Yeah, it's this one. It's a quarter to 4. We have another quarter or 15 more minutes, excuse me, till we get to 4 o'clock. We can also say it's 3:45. It's 3:45. This one here, we say it's 4:15. It's 4:15. Okay, number 4. Are you ready? Okay, listen very carefully. It's 9:45. It's 9:45. Which one is it? Yep, it's this one. It's 9:45. We can also say it's a quarter to 10. Yeah, it's a quarter to 10. And what's this one? Good. It's 9:30. It's half past 9. It's half past 9. Either way is okay. And the last one, number 5. It's a quarter past 2. It's a quarter past 2. Which one is it? This one or this one? It's a quarter past 2. Good. Yeah, it's this one, right? Uh, this one right here, what is it? Yeah, you can say it's 1:45, or you could say it's a quarter to 2. It's a quarter to 2. Yeah, it's a quarter to 2. Okay, let's continue on. We'll just keep practicing, okay? When trying to tell time, it's just best to practice as much as possible, yeah? And so we'll do that. Let's go ahead and write down the times in numbers. And so here we're given the time in words, and we'll try to transfer them over into numbers, okay? And so here's an example. It's a quarter to, yeah, it's a quarter to 5. It's a quarter to 5, and so we would write down 4:45. 4:45. Let's do number 1 through 5 together, okay? So number 1, it's 9 o'clock. It's 9 o'clock. How would we write that down? It's 9 o'clock. So 9:00. It's 9 o'clock. All right. How about number 2? It's 1:15. Yeah, it's 1:15. How would we write that in numbers? It's 1:15. 1, yeah, it's 1:15. Yeah, it's 1:15. Number 3, it's 3:25. It's 3:25. How would we write that in numbers? Three colon 25. Okay, 3:25. And then number 4, it's 2:30. It's 2:30. How would we write that in numbers? Remember, half is 30 minutes. Half, meaning half of an hour, which is 30 minutes. So this is going to be 2:30, okay? 2:30. 2:30. 2:30. And then number 5, it's 12:15. It's 12:15. 12:15. Remember, a quarter, 25% of an hour is 15 minutes. So we would write it in numbers as 15. Yeah? It's 12:15. 12:15. And then let's do the last exercise together as well. So here it's the opposite. We're given the numbers and we have to write it out in words, okay? And yeah, again, we'll do this together. So here's an example. We have 9:15. And so if someone asks us, what time is it? We say, it's 9:15. It's 9:15. And so this one right here, number 1, 5:30. So how will we say this in words? Maybe there's 2 different ways to say it, right? 2 different ways. We can say it's 5:30. Yeah? It's 5:30. We can also say it's 5:30. Yeah, it's 5:30. Either way is fine. How about number 2? So we have 15 more minutes.